Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Game Time Jerseys reviews? So, guys, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this site, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. So guys, people from Australia, United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not miss out any points. So first of all guys, in the video we'll discuss about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with sports apparels. They offer mainly sports jerseys and they offer jerseys from different sports like basketball, football, baseball, soccer, hockey and many more. So guys, if you want to check out these products, you have to visit to their official site. So next we're going to check their payment method, but this website hasn't given their payment options out here separately. So if you want to know about the payment options, go to the terms of service. Also, you can check it in the checkout zone as well. And then scroll it down till the end. And here they have mentioned something about the PayPal. In the claims, they have mentioned about PayPal. So this can be taken as the payment option. So next guys, if you want to know about the shipping policy, this website also hasn't given it in a separate page section. So here about the shipping policy, they have mentioned that they ship out orders as soon as possible and update tracking information within 2 weeks of your order. So guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now we are going to talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, this website was registered on 19th of November 2021 and it is going to expire on 19th of November 2022, which means this website is very new and hence it can't be trusted. Now guys, if you want to know about the About Us details, this website also haven't given their About Us information. So next we'll check the contact details. So here they've only given their email address. Also, the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now guys, if you want to know about the social media presence, so this website has mentioned that they have got social media presence. But guys, if you click on any of these icons, it will only lead you to someone else's social media account. We have checked, this website actually does not have any social media presence. So this is a huge drawback. So next, we'll check the return and refund policy. So here they haven't given the exact return timing. They've only mentioned that all items are accepted for replacement within 72 hours from when the shipment is received. And they mentioned that they require that customers use the contact form for any problems with merchandise within 72 hours of receiving. So you can check this out. And about the refund, they have said that you have to allow 3 to 5 business days for refund to process. So you can check this out. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the Game Time Jerseys reviews, there are no customer review of this website anywhere. And the trust score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 4.6%, which is very low. Also, the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So guys, in the conclusion of the Game Time Jerseys reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, the trust score is very low. So it seems like a scam website. But guys, we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And guys, have a nice day.